Hey guys, so today we will be discussing a very special concept, which is the history of NLP. And so the history of NLP starts like earlier. What happened was the we will discuss about the importance of transformers. So transformers. So earlier, how it was like we have different things for different work. We have LSTM, we have RNNs. So LSTM was used for NLP, RNNs were used for other purpose, and there were several others. Other networks. Images were done by CNN. Text audio was done with RNN, but everything changed with the transformer. It was one solution to every problem: audio, video, and all the other tasks. So it was a revolution in the field of NLP. So let's go through the history of NLP. So in NLP, so from 2002 to 2014, like I told, it was all being done by LSTM. Then after that 2014, encoder and decoder came into picture. And encoder and decoder architecture is very very unique architecture, where there is a encoder and there is other block of decoder, and the data is passed as a context vector to encoder, and that particular output is then taken into as as a decoder. And in between, so this was the great thing which was happening between encoder and decoder. And this great thing was basically actually between encoder and decoder. This great thing was there, but there was few drawbacks with encoder and decoder module as well. And that particular drawback was that the data was passed is in form of a context vector, and the context of the it was very good, working very fine with the small sentences, but it wasn't good for the large number of large input. So in that particular concept only, in the encoder and decoder, a new thing came. They came up with a new thing which was called attention. And the concept of attention, it became very popular. And as it was in this particular concept, every block of encoder was connected to every other block of decoder, and so that it could handle the context of the data and semantic meaning. So that was the reason and the attention was nothing but just an neural network which was placed between encoder and decoder. And that particular neural network between encoder and decoder was basically done for a particular task, which was handling the asynchronous data, which is the different length data, which is passed to the encoder through decoder. And this particular data, so this particular model, this particular the change in encoder and decoder helped to process large sequence of data and different sequences of data, and capture the semantic meaning more in a more better way. So since I didn't have the whiteboard due to electricity problem, I'm just recording this video like that. And so that was the about encoder and decoder and attention, which came in with encoder and decoder. So encoder and decoder was in 2014, and after that we will discuss about in detail about transformer, like how it worked. I mean, it is based on encoder and decoder, but how it enhanced our encoder and decoder thing, and how it was so great, so awesome. So we will discuss about it now, and after in the next video, next recording. So thank you guys for everything. Thanks.